Good morning students, myself Dr. Shirisha, Associate Professor from CSE Department, MLR Institute of Technology. In this session, let us discuss about PHP arrays. In the last session, we have seen how to create a simple array using an array keyword. Then what is an array, types of arrays and example applications. These three we are going to discuss today. What is an array? An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. So, when you are creating an array, more than one value can be stored in the variable that is created. An array function is used to create an array. So, array function is used as a simple syntax, and the small example also we have seen in the last session. What are the different types of arrays? We have three types. One is the indexed array, and associative array, and multi-dimensional array. Indexed array, when multiple values are being sent, you can store it using the indexes and just print them. Associative arrays are using the key value pairs, key hyphen values, and these are using the indexes. And multi-dimensional, using one or more arrays, you can create a multi-dimensional arrays. So, what are indexed arrays? There are two ways to create an indexed array. They are assigned automatically. Always index starts with the 0. So, when you are creating the $cars with an array, so this array of 0 is having Volvo, array of 1, array of 2. So, every time array indexes start with 0, or index can be assigned manually also. So, cars of 0, that means 0th index you are storing this, but not required. Directly if you do this, it directly stores at array 0 Volvo only. Okay. So, this is how indexed arrays can be created. And this is an example where we are creating $cars with the array and these values, and when I wanted to print, I am calling $cars of 0. This 0 is nothing but index here. This 1 is nothing but index. Now, what is there in index of 0? Volvo is in the index of 0. That Volvo is printing here. What is there in index of 1? That is BMW. So, BMW is printing here. What is there in cars of 2? That means third one. This is 2 is Toyota. So, Toyota is getting printed. Okay. So, let me show you this execution. Okay. I am just giving here P2 because I have changed the name to P2. So, I like Volvo, BMW and Toyota. So, this is how your indexed array will work. Then, moving further, we will see what are associative arrays. Associative arrays are the arrays which are using named keys that you assign to them, means key value pairs. So, here if you see there are two values to create an associative array. Array is declared. So, age, $age, and array is created here. Peter 35, that means what? Your 35 is storing in Peter, 37 is storing in Ben, 43 is storing in Joe. So, here what happened, when you wanted to print $age, 35 is getting printed, $Ben 37. So, this is where $age variable with the named keyword. So, named keys means this is key and this is value. When you are calling a particular key, its value will get printed. So, associative arrays will support in key value format. Okay. So, this also let me show you with an example. Here is an example where it executes in a key value fashion. Okay. So, $array is assigned in the key value pair. So, just run this. So, Peter is 35 years old. So, what you are going to print? Echo Peter is $age of Peter, means named key we are giving here. So, let me change this to Ben. So, what I should do? $age, the key of Ben should be given. What is the key of Ben? It is 37. So, what you have to give here? You have to give here key as a Ben. So, let me save this, rerun. 37 years old. So, like this, associative arrays are used to give the or assign the array in the key value format. Using the keys, you can extract the values and print that. Then next, multi-dimensional array. This is an array containing one or more arrays. So you have an array with these values, the array. So how many? You are creating an array within the array. So you have multiple arrays. We will see the example. So array is followed by the multiple arrays we have given. So cars 0 of 0 if you give. So cars of 0 means this arrow index, this is 0. 0 of 0 means what? Volvo. Okay. Then in stock cars of 0 of 1. 0 of 1 means what? 22. Okay. Then sold. Cars of 0 or 2, 0 of 2, 2 means what? 18, so that 18 will get printed. And then in the next line we are giving cars of 1 of 0, means what? This is 1, array 1, of 0 means in this one, first array 0, that is BMW, so BMW is getting printed. Cars of 1 means in this one array, what is there in the first index, that is 15. 15 is printing, second 13, 13 is getting printed, 1 of 2. So that is how these two arrays, this is the array and this is the index. These two we are going to pass. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, so you are getting according to the indexes whatever we have given, accordingly you are getting these values printed. Okay. So in this session we have discussed about what is an array and what are the different types of arrays. What are different types of arrays is we have discussed indexed arrays and we have also discussed associative arrays, then multiple arrays, multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, so these are the indexes and these are the key value pairs and these are multi-dimensional. Okay, with the examples we have discussed, hope you all understood. Thank you all.